Have you ever felt that spark of creativity is dimmed due to lack of guidance and support? Or wondered what might have been if your talent had been nurtured from the start? Welcome to my channel where your creative journey truly begins. I am Smruti Rekha, a portrait artist dedicated to helping creative souls like you to unlock your artistic potential. You are not alone. Many young artists face the same challenges, but here we are igniting that creative spark and giving it the space to flourish it. This channel is a space where I will guide you step by step through simple, beginner friendly techniques to master realistic portrait drawing, no matter where you are in your journey. I believe art is not as difficult as it seems. It can be natural as writing your own name. Are you ready to take that first step? Subscribe to my channel if you are urged to unlock your potential and discover how art can bring joy, confidence, and fulfillment to your life. Let's grow together and embrace the creative freedom and honor the artist within you. Let's bring your talent to life.